Hello everyone. So really quick, we're going to go over how to create a wait list using Acuity scheduling. This is the updated version. It is more detailed than my previous video. I have a lot of things that I needed to add into it, and that is going to be included in this one. So if you're a note taker, I'm going to be going pretty fast, so you may just want to get ready to hit the pause button. If you're on your phone, get ready to hit your screenshots because we are going to go through this really quick. Okay, so firstly, make sure that you have at least the growing plan. That is like, it's not the basic plan, it's the one step up. So make sure you at least have the growing plan in order to utilize this, because you'll need to have the option to create a new calendar. Okay. All right, so first off, we're going to start from, we're on the mobile app, and this is your main screen. So we're going to start by creating or adding duplicate appointments. So in order to add the duplicate appointments from the main screen here, you're going to click appointment type. From appointment type, it's going to, after you click appointment types, it's going to bring you over to the screen with all of your appointments. What you're going to do is create a duplicate appointment on each of those screens. So you go appointment types, and here are all of your appointments. All of mine are labeled private. If you're on your phone, you have to turn it horizontally in order to get the effect of it. So you're going to click, turn it horizontally and click duplicate, and you're going to do this for each of your appointments. You're going to change the title of your appointment to include that it is awaiting approval. The way that I did it on mine is I just, in parentheses next to the appointment name, I put awaiting approval. You're going to do this for each one of your appointments that you want to be on your waiting list. Okay. Again, all of mine are listed as private. I'm going to make it public for the reference of this video. And I'm only going to, you're also going to create a new category. I'm going to call this category wait list, just to keep it organized. This is where I'm going to put all of my appointments that are on the wait list. And you're just going to do this process for each one of your appointments. Again, I'm making it public for this video reference. And I'm going to, from my reference, I'm going to make one of my appointments public. I have everything like G14 classified on my Acuity. Okay, so if you scroll all the way down, it's going to be listed in alphabetical order. You will see wait list on the bottom of my screen. Okay. Next, we're going to add a new calendar. That's number 2. The second step is to add a new calendar. So from your main screen on the phone, you're going to scroll down to availability. You're going to click calendars, and you are going to click add calendar in the top right. All right, for this calendar name, we're going to call it wait list. This is the name that's going to pop up when your client is scheduling an appointment, and it's going to say that it's scheduled with a wait list, awaiting appointment. So however you want to word that, awaiting approval, awaiting pending request. In the detail, it's the description is where I'm going to copy and paste my verbiage that I used. It simply states that if your desired appointment time is not available, to please select that appointment time here. Once it becomes available, you will automatically be scheduled, and you will receive a new appointment confirmation email that includes the name of your service provider. So with this calendar name, it's going to come up as wait list, but your other calendars should have the names of you and or your employees in the confirmation. So on the next screen, you're going to select all appointments that were on your wait list. On your next tab, you're going to copy and paste the times that you want. Make sure that it matches your previous appointment times on your other calendar, just so it, matches. Always hit the save at the bottom once you're tabbing. Make sure you hit the save. Very important. Change your appointment per time slot to at least 10. I doubt you'll have more than 10 people wanting the same appointment time, so I picked 10. You can make it as high as you want, because the name of the game is to make all our money, right? Okay, so I have mine set to 10. Now what I'm going to do is to go in and customize my appearance. From your main menu, you're going to click customize appearance. You're going to click scheduling page options. From here, make sure that the check mark is next to hide any available options from calendar lists, because you don't want your client to be able to pick the next available person. You want them to be able to pick what they want, the wait list, whenever they're ready to pick it. Okay, so make sure there's a check mark next to hide the any available. After this, we're going to edit our email template, okay, because you need a separate email confirmation for these. So you're going to click your email, go to initial confirmation, and you're going to add a template. So add a new template for your email. Under this one, you're only going to check the wait list one. So make sure that wait list is checked. And that's the only one that's going to get this confirmation email, because this is going to let the client know that this is only a request. It is not scheduled. So from your email subject, if you're on your phone, you have to turn it horizontal so you can see all of it. Change scheduled to requested, because we're letting them know, hey, this isn't approved, this is requested. On the bottom, if you're using the basic format, you're going to change your appointment scheduled to appointment requested. Again, we don't want any confusion. So when they schedule a waitlist appointment, it is requested. Also, you cannot schedule a waitlist appointment if you have it set up where they receive deposits. You have to change that deposit payment to, you have to change their deposits to card on file, because if they request a waitlist appointment, it's going to ask for a deposit, and we don't want them to pay a deposit if it's not guaranteed that they're going to get that appointment. So you're going to have to change your payment settings to card on file, or I have mine set to card on file. All right, so next we are going to edit. Well, I'm going to show you how it looks here first. Okay, so once you have all of those set up, this is how your client is going to view it. So I'm just using one appointment time, for example. This is how it looks with the categories open. I'm going to go in and collapse those categories in a second, but this is how it looks from the client's perspective when they log in and there's a wait list category and the other, your main category. And you see how it has wait list and my name, Piscean Touch, under there. I don't want that. I'm going to go in and edit my group calendar so it only has one name. So from here, let me slow it down just a tad. So what I'm going to do is, it has here for this appointment, it has your that they can schedule with waitlist or with Natalya. I don't want that. I'm going to make it to where, since this is a waitlist appointment, I only want waitlist available, not Natalya. So from here, we're going to go to availability. We're going to go to availability, calendars, and then we're going to edit the group. So click edit group under waitlist and make sure that only the waitlist options are checked. Then I'm going to my calendar under Natalya, edit group, and remove the check marks next to all of those that have waitlist next to it. So remove the check marks from your main calendar. All right, and now I'm going to go back and see how that looks when you remove the wait list. Let me refresh really quick. Okay, so I'm going in and I am collapsing the categories. So in order to collapse the categories, you're going to go to customize appearance. Bear with me. All right, customize appearance, scheduling page options, and then you're going to click collapse categories. Put a check mark next to that to collapse the categories, just to clean it up just a little bit, because I know you're going to have like so many services and it just looks better when you collapse it with the wait list. So when I refresh here, you'll see them collapse. So when the client goes into schedule, they can click wait list, they can click the service that they want, and they'll see all of the times available. They'll be able to select their time, And then here I'm just gonna do like a dummy appointment really quick. So fast forward, bam, appointment is scheduled, and you see that it's awaiting approval. Now we're going to go over how to approve or cancel the appointment that's been waitlisted. Okay, so from your admin screen on the main menu, you're going to go to your calendar, and you'll see that right next to your main calendar that there's a waitlist calendar. Okay, so this appointment was scheduled for Saturday, so I'm going to go find Saturday. And you see right next to it, you have your main calendar and your waitlist calendar. It's two different calendars side by side. So when someone schedules a waitlist, it's going to pop up on the right, bam, right there on the right side. So to approve it, well, to cancel it, let's go over canceling it. To cancel it, you're going to click it. You're going to hit your little spiral at the top, and that's going to open up the button for editing. If you want to cancel, just hit that cancel appointment, but we're going to go on and approve this one. So we're going to hit edit. You're going to select the type, and you're going to go to the appointment that you would normally schedule if it wasn't a waitlist appointment. Make sure you go to the calendar and you select your calendar name that you want it under, that whoever's going to be providing the service. Okay, once you do this, you're going to hit save. After you save it, you need to make sure to go in and resend the confirmation, because that's going to let the client know that, hey, it's been scheduled under this person's name. So you're going to hit resend confirmation email. Yes, and it's going to send them the confirmation email with the provider's name attached to it. Okay. So y'all are all set. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm dropping free gems. I'm trying to keep y'all from having to contact Acuity's customer service. Their customer service is amazing, but it does take at least 24 hours to get back to them. So just as a thank you, go on and hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below on any other videos that you all may be needing. And until next time, y'all go make that money.